Okay, for those who were in my live tonight, I've calmed down and I have come to believe that they were probably talking about cars. I own everything I said in the live, though, and me getting annoyed at one of the comments, I still stand by that. I did feel annoyed because I was just having fun trying to see, because it really did sound like code to me. But then I put it up and I'm like, yeah, they probably could be talking about cars. I was in a hyper awareness because it's December 17, 4 days before the New York Times hit piece. It never matched the rest of the way they spoke to each other throughout the whole thread. So, yeah, I, I'm not, I'm not 100% saying it's not code. I'm not 100% ready to say that, but I am ready to say it could just be talking about cars. And I still stand by how annoyed I was. Because why can't I just consider that without someone trying to be a downer and affecting the vibe?